Good morning, guys. Welcome back to school today. Today is Wednesday, and we have language and science. So we're going to complete the work we started on Monday, which is the topic connecting words and the connecting word but. All right, and I said that we can use the connecting word but when you want to join two contrasting ideas in a sentence together, or when you want to put you want to join a negative to a positive sentence, a negative part of a sentence to a positive part of a sentence, to make it one complete sentence. All right, so today we're going to turn to the big book, page 219. Turn to your big book, page 219, and then we write the date on top. Today is Wednesday, May 27, 2020. Wednesday, May 27, 2020. And then we're going to complete the exercise inside the book. First of all, then we can work in the language notebook. So let's get to work. It says, add but with a caret in the correct places in the sentences. So this little sign you see here, this is called a caret, okay? And this is used where you want to add up something in a sentence. If something is missing and then you want to insert a word or something in a sentence, you can just put down the sign and write whatever you want to write on top. All right? So this says add but with a caret in the correct places in the sentences. So we're going to find the correct places where we have to add our but. So I'm going to do number one for you, and then you have to complete the other ones. Number one says, the movie was long, we did not find it boring. Now pay attention again. It says, the movie was long, we did not find it boring. There is something really missing here, and that is but, because you have two contrasting ideas in that sentence. The first one is the movie was long. When you're talking to someone, the movie was long. It can stand on its own as a sentence. And then you have, we did not find it boring. We did not find it boring can also stand on its own. So you can see that there are two parts of the sentence that are contrasting each other. One is a positive side, which is like that you didn't find it boring, which means you enjoyed it. And you had a complaint also, the movie was long, which means it took most of your time for you to finish watching the movie. So there are two contrasting ideas in this sentence, which we need to add or join together with the word but. Now, where do we add the word but? Let's read it carefully one more time. The movie was long, we did not find it boring. Now, I'm going to say, because the movie was long, you can put a period there. It's a sentence. It can stand on its own. The movie was long. And you can also say, we did not find it boring. It's perfect. It can stand on its own. So I'm going to say I will have to add the caret here. The movie was long. So I'm going to add my caret here. The movie was long is a sentence. And then I'm going to write but. Do you see where I added the caret? The movie was long, so the caret is here at the end of the movie was long, but we did not find it boring. Now, when you read it like this, it's whoever you're talking to will just understand what you said, right? The movie was long, but we did not find it boring, compared to how it was at the beginning, where you have the movie was long, we did not find it boring. All right, is that understood? Now, that's the same way you're going to do number 2 to number 5. And the second part says, join the two parts with but to complete the sentence. So you have tiny dot, it is friendly. The seawater is cool. This one is too sour. I can reach. And then you have the numbers down here. So even likes juice, but, you have to write but. Even likes juice, but. And then you choose the other part from these 4 sentences here to complete it. So you have to choose the one that matches perfectly to complete the sentences. So that's it for today. When you're done with your work, take a picture of your work and send to me. And I also remember saying that we're going to do more exercise in the language notebook. So once you're done with this, get out your language notebook and make sentences like this part. All right, so you make a sentence without putting but, just like this. And then under it, you have to make 5 sentences. Okay? Make a sentence without putting but. And then under the sentence you made, you correct it by adding the caret and adding but on top, just like we did in the book. But this has to be in your language notebook. So for example, the shirt is strong. All right, does that make sense? Okay, let me say the bag is strong, but the bag is strong. It cannot carry all the goods. All right, the bag is strong. It cannot carry all the goods. So I'm going to write that as my sentence. Number one, the bag is strong. It cannot carry all the goods. And then I'm going to write under it, the bag is strong. And I'm going to put my correct write but on top, but it cannot carry all the goods. So I want to see you making your sentence without but and fixing it by adding the correct and but on top. So that's it for language today. Once you're done, take a picture of your work and send it to me. If you still don't understand what you're supposed to do, just send me a voice note and I'll explain it better to you. All right? See you soon. Bye.